Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban knife style and jungle survival. Today we're going to have a look at this all-purple EDC Loadout. I'll tell you why I put it together and what's inside. But first, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so and support the channel. Thanks a lot. So I put together this all-purple urban EDC pocket carry or loadout for my wife's Valentine's Day present. She was expecting flowers and chocolates, but I thought this was much more awesome. And in the event she doesn't like it, I guess I just have to take on the burden of keeping it. But let's have a look at what we have. We have a pouch with some tools, and we also have this EDC Hank. It's a purple Hank with skulls on it. Very fitting for Valentine's Day, I think. This is by a Malaysian company called Garang's Metal Monkey. Garang is basically fierce in Malay. So it's cotton on one side with this design, and it's black micro suede on the other side. Very good for cleaning blades and such. Now this pouch itself is the Viperade VE13 Mini EDC pouch. It's their smallest pocket organizer. Now Viperade is a Chinese brand, but they put out really good products and they've got a great website as well. This particular pouch is made from 1000D high strength fabric, very solid and durable. There's reinforced sewing and binding tape. So overall I think it's a good product, and I've got quite a few of these canvas pouches. First one from Viperade, but I think this is solid. So let's talk about the pouch itself. There are two pockets in front. There are these molly straps where you can kind of slide things inside. You can see a bit of a loop, so you could clip something here if you want. And on the other side, there's a zippered compartment, which is about 2/3 the size of this pouch. There's also this loop on top for you to put a carabiner or some kind of clip if you like. But that's basically it. No other pockets here. In terms of dimensions, the height is 3.8 inches. The width is 3.1 inches. And it's a 0.4 inches thickness. So it's a nice small pouch, and I know it looks overloaded here. That was deliberate, but of course you can put as much or as little as you want. Now let's go through the items inside. First up, I have a purple pen. This is a Zebra extendable pen. I've got a Convoy T3 flashlight. This runs on AA batteries. Now I was looking for an Olight flashlight in this color, but they didn't have it, or I couldn't find one. So this fit the bill, although it's a bit thicker. I've got a folding knife over here in the form of the Civivi bowl, which is a flipper knife. It's purple with a black scales or black blade. This is Nitro V, so very nice stainless steel. This is a very slim and small knife, very easy for someone who's not a knife person to use. It is a liner lock, so you press that to close it, but it is small, it is not intimidating, and it's very easy to deploy. So that's the main folder. In the back, behind or inside the zippered compartment, I've got two items. The first is another knife, a mini multi-tool in the form of this Victorinox Classic, and this is the new translucent scales. This is a Persian indigo, and it's kind of a purple, so it matches with the general theme. There is the main blade, the file, and a pair of scissors, as well as the tweezers and toothpick, so that can be very handy as well. And finally, one last item inside this pocket, and that is a purple Zippo Lighter. So my wife wanted a Zippo Lighter, so I got it. And I haven't put any fuel inside, but hopefully she can master some of these tricks, and she can use this lighter. So there you have it, all the different items in this all-purple EDC loadout. What do you think of it, and have you put together a single color loadout before as well? And if so, what color is that? I had a lot of fun putting this together, so I think I'll do another color in the near future, so do look out for that. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, talk to you soon.